After Cyngn recently secured $32 million in funding, it can support its growth plans through 2027 without the need for additional capital raises in the near term. This financial boost has enabled the company to accelerate its product development and expansion. The company has seen significant traction with its autonomous vehicles, which are becoming integral to its clients' operations, providing a competitive advantage. To keep pace with growing demand, Cyngn has relocated to a larger headquarters office in Mountain View, featuring expanded test and demonstration areas. This new facility will support product development and increase on-site sales activities. Cyngn has also partnered with NVIDIA, leveraging the Isaac simulation environment to bring new capabilities to market quickly, safely, and affordably. Then, in addition to being granted 23 patents, Cyngn is integrating advanced generative AI and AI agents across its research and development, product development, and customer-facing tools. With its secured funding, technological advancements, and market traction, Cyngn is now focused on execution, aiming to convert its momentum into scale. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.